Hello everyone, this is my new van NV2500 Nissan van. I'm working on making the shelving for my tools and parts. So let me show you the inside, the work in process. Storage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 5 tanks this side and 5 tanks this side. And I got these little organized box. I got like 10 of these. And we'll go shelf. My plan is to put all my capacitors, thermostats, all that good stuff right here. There will be my ladder. I need to make my little storage right here. Spare oxygen and saline tank or something. And there will be all my power tools. I made those boxes custom for so yeah, it's a work in process. We'll see how it comes out after we're done with everything. So they have this divider. It was a little like a plastic divider right here. The way they made it, can't really use that space. So I took that out. Make a little plywood storage, so it will give me some room to put more parts over here. This to my garden hose. Yeah, that's it for now, but I will update after we go any further. And this I started to store my torch. So we paint all the shelvings, and that's how we mounting it. We're using these guys. Put it in the U bracket and twist it.